Tell me this doesn't look familiar. A messy backpack, papers flying, random stuff you don't even remember packing. Literally me back in school every single day. And every time I actually needed something important, I dig through this disaster like Dora on a mission, only to realize, oh no, I left it at home.
And honestly, my bag should have come with a warning sign. Enter at your own risk.
I swear, I wish someone had made a guide like this back when I was suffering, but lucky for you, your girl is here at your service to save the day. I know, I said in this video that I'd drop a backpack essentials guide soon. You guys kept calling me out for not posting this yet, like every other comment was a backpack reminder. Listen, I was hoping you'd forget I ever promised this video, but clearly you all have better memory than me. Like, can I borrow some of those brain cells? So yeah, sorry for the delay, bestie, but she's finally here. And after watching this, you're gonna be slaying your school year effortlessly. So comment down slay below right now.
Slay!
Because science says when you write something down, your brain actually starts to believe it. So basically, you're manifesting your best school year yet, period. And I promise, this isn't just the obvious basics. These are my real hacks that no one ever told me. And trust me, you're not finding them anywhere else.
This video is about to change your life. This is the most complete, detailed breakdown you'll find. I'm covering every single pocket, every item you actually need, all the details other videos never mention.
Okay, first things first, the bag itself. And listen, if you've watched my other videos, you know I already dragged this once, but I'm gonna say it again for the girlies in the back, because some of y'all are out here buying those soft baby pink pastel backpacks like you're walking into a K-drama. Don't get me wrong, I love K-dramas too. But bestie, this isn't main character girl. This is real life where ketchup exists. And yeah, they're cute for like 1 week, then reality hits. Those bags pick up dirt, pen marks, and random stains so fast, you'll spend half your life scrubbing it like it's a crime scene. Like, you'll be explaining to people why your bag looks like it survived a food fight when all you did was go to school. And trust me, once your bag starts looking crusty and questionable, no aesthetic Pinterest pin is gonna save you. So, here's what I tell everyone. Don't stress about the color being aesthetic. Make it aesthetic with the stuff you put on it. Add a cute keychain, maybe a charm from your favorite show, some trendy backpack badges that show your personality, even a fluffy pom-pom if you're that girl. Add on some pins or charms that make you smile every time you see them. Think of your bag like your phone case. It's gonna be with you every single day, so why not decorate it and make it fun? You can switch up your decorations whenever you want a new vibe. Now, let's talk about the actual bag itself. Beyond looks, make sure the bag actually does its job. You need something with enough space for all your stuff. Don't get one of those tiny bags where you're trying to squeeze everything in and it looks like it's about to explode any second. It's giving overstuffed burrito energy, and that's not cute. And make sure those straps don't suck because you're going to be carrying this thing everywhere. Get padded straps that are actually comfortable. Trust me, you don't want to be that girl constantly adjusting her bag because it's cutting off her circulation. But here's the thing that's going to make or break your whole school experience. Your bag absolutely needs to have sections, like different pockets and compartments for different stuff. And I'm about to spill the exact system that changed my life. So don't you dare skip ahead. Because if you get one of those bags that's just one big empty space, congratulations, bestie. You just bought yourself a portable black hole where everything disappears forever. Your pen will literally vanish into another dimension and you'll never see it again. You'll be digging around for like 10 minutes looking for a pen while your teacher's staring at you like, are you done yet? And we're definitely not doing that this school year. I'm about to tell you exactly what goes where so you can actually find your stuff when you need it.
The main pocket. This is where the serious school stuff lives. It's the big pocket that holds everything important. So let's talk about what we're actually putting in here. First off, your textbooks and notebooks, the main essentials. And they are obviously going in here, but we need to be strategic about this. Don't just grab every single book you own and shove them in there. Pack smart based on your actual schedule. I used to throw in every single textbook thinking I was being responsible, but really I just looked like I was moving apartments and my shoulders were screaming at me for no reason. Well, actually, for a reason. They had every right to be mad. Nothing beats
the Jet 2 holiday.
Oh wait, wrong energy. But seriously, nothing beats carrying a giant textbook around all day just to never open it once. My back is still holding a grudge. Decorate your notebooks with cute stickers, and I mean go absolutely wild with them because stickers are basically happiness you can stick on stuff.
Paste your name labels on there so people know whose aesthetic masterpiece they're borrowing.
Decorate the covers, make your notebook something you actually want to look at instead of something that makes you want to cry.
Oh, and real talk, girl, I used to save all my prettiest stickers for the right moment when I was little, but guess what? That was the right moment. Every moment was perfect, and I should have just used them. I still have those unused stickers in my drawer now. It taught me that sometimes the right time is just right now. Making important stuff. Girl, she's dropping wisdom bombs that you're completely missing. Focus on understanding the concept first, then make it pretty later when you're reviewing at home. You can have the most gorgeous Pinterest-perfect notes in existence, but if you missed the actual lesson because you were too busy drawing perfect headers, those Instagram-worthy notes aren't gonna save you when test time comes. If your school allows it, carry a laptop or iPad for digital notes. If you take notes digitally, just protect it with a case because dropping our MacBook is expensive therapy we can't afford. Okay, girl, this one's optional, but trust me, carry a vision board in your school bag. Maybe stick it on your favorite journal. Oh, you thought vision boards were just Pinterest girl nonsense? Wrong. They actually work, and I'm kind of obsessed. Add some goals, cute quotes, pictures of whatever you're dreaming about. Basically, trick your brain into believing you're already that put-together girl who has her life figured out. And you are that girl. You just forget sometimes. Every time you open your bag, boom, instant reminder that you're literally unstoppable. It's like having a hype woman, but in paper form. Your pencil pouch is going in this main section too, and we seriously need to talk about what's actually going inside that thing because some of y'all are treating it like a portable art museum. First off, keep a folded copy of your timetable in there so you can quickly check what class is next without having that panic moment of, wait, do I have math or English? Keep another copy at home too, because that's gonna save your life when you're packing your bag the night before and your brain has officially left the building. But here's where everyone goes absolutely feral. Those rainbow gel pen sets look absolutely gorgeous, and my sister literally just bought these mini highlighters last week that are honestly adorable. You want cute stationery that makes studying feel less like actual torture, but you gotta be realistic about what you'll actually use. I made the huge mistake of buying every single color pen thinking I was gonna be the most organized, color-coded queen who had her life together. My pouch became this heavy rainbow explosion where I could never find a basic black pen when I actually needed one. Here's the truth. You're realistically gonna use black, blue, maybe one highlighter color, and that's it. But then your friends are gonna be like, do you have a pink pen? And can I borrow that green highlighter? And suddenly you're carrying around this art supply store so other people can have options while you're using the same crusty pen every day. Don't get me wrong, sharing is cool, but don't make your bag heavy just so everyone else gets free stationery while you're not even using half of it.
And of course, babe, don't forget to add in the basics in your pouch like pencil, eraser, sharpener, and your little geometry squad too. Ruler, protractor, all those dramatic triangles. But only the ones you actually need. If you forget them, the teacher will ask for a perfect angle. And you'll be out here using the corner of your notebook like, yeah, this is close enough. And girl, please keep a calculator in your main pocket too. Math problems these days are doing way too much. The one day you forget it, you're suddenly trying to divide decimals using pure trauma energy. Don't be doing mental math on problems that need a whole scientific calculator. Just keep it in your bag.
Keep a mini umbrella in there just in case it starts raining. You never know when the weather's gonna change. You can keep the umbrella in the main pocket or side pocket, whatever works for your bag situation.
All right, now that the main pocket is sorted, let's dig into the middle pocket now, because that's where things get interesting. So let's see what's actually going in here. First things first. Your phone charger or power bank. Just in case your battery decides to die in the middle of the day, you'll have backup. And if you're bringing your laptop or iPad, make sure you pack their chargers too. You don't want them running out right when you actually need them in class. Then, of course, lunchbox. And don't roll your eyes. I don't mean just chips and a soda. Pack something real, like fruit or an actual meal, because that's what's gonna keep you from crashing halfway through the day. Even a small healthy snack makes a big difference. But let's be honest, some days you're gonna crave that junk food from the canteen, and that's totally fine. Which brings me to my next point. Your wallet needs to go in here too. Keep some cash in your bag because you never know when you'll need it. Whether it's for emergency transport, buying something from the canteen when you're craving those hot fries, or just having money on hand for unexpected situations. Having a wallet in your bag is seriously important. Okay, but the star and main thing that lives in the middle pocket, your emergency pouch. And I'm about to tell you exactly why every girl needs one of these no matter what. So what exactly goes in this lifesaver? Pads, tampons, menstrual cup, whatever you use, you always keep them in here. It doesn't matter if you're on your period, not on your period, or even if you haven't gotten your period yet. This pouch stays, okay? And to all my younger girls watching this, don't stress. You still carry it. Put 1 or 2 pads in there and an extra pair of underwear. You might not need it now, but one day you will. And when that day comes, you're gonna be so glad you listened to me. Plus, sometimes your friend might suddenly need one, and you'll literally be the hero of the class. And let's be real for a second. Do not, and I mean do not, touch that pouch when you're at home. Don't be lazy like, oh, I'll just use the pad from my bag. Who's gonna get up and open the drawer? Babe, your bag stash is for emergencies only. At school, outside, when life attacks you uninvited. But at home, walk your butt to the closet and grab the ones from your drawer. Don't mess over your future self. Also, put a tiny notebook in this pouch where you track your cycle dates. Like how we folded our schedule for the pencil case? Same vibe. Just write down when your period comes so you're not shocked when it shows up like, surprise, I'm here. It's honestly a total game changer. And with that pouch, add tissues, a few band-aids, because someone always gets hurt in gym class. Oh, and don't forget your pill container if you take vitamins or any medication. It literally takes up no space, but saves you from forgetting to take them. And of course, keys, because nothing kills your vibe faster than standing outside your own house like a homeless person, begging your neighbors to let you use their phone to call your mom, who's probably gonna roast you for the next hour about being irresponsible. All right, now let's talk about the front pocket, because this is basically your quick grab zone for everything you need in a hurry. Like when you're running late and don't have time to dig through your entire bag, this is where all the cute, girly, and important stuff lives. First up, your school ID needs to live here. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen people frantically digging through their bags while the security guard is just standing there judging them. Don't be that person. Keep it in the front pocket so you can just flash it and keep moving, like the busy student you are. Bobby pins and hair ties are must-haves for the front pocket. Keep at least 5 bobby pins because I swear they grow legs and walk away on their own. You'll have a whole pack one day, and the next day you're desperately searching for even one while your hair is falling apart. Throw in a claw clip, scrunchie, or whatever you prefer, because your hair has a special talent for betraying you at the absolute worst moments. Like right before you have to present in front of the class, or when your crush is walking your way and suddenly your hair decides it wants to look like you stuck your finger in an electrical socket. Keep these backups handy so you can throw your hair up in 2 seconds and salvage the situation before it gets embarrassing. Sunscreen needs to go in here too. And before you're like, but it's cloudy, or I'm only outside for 5 minutes, hear me out. The sun doesn't care if you're only outside for 5 minutes. Keep one in your bag so you can reapply during lunch or whenever you're going to be outside. It takes like 10 seconds, but actually protects your skin from sun damage, which is way better than dealing with painful sunburns or worse stuff down the line. Lip balm is a must, because nobody wants to be that person constantly licking their lips. Bonus tip here, grab one that smells good or has a tiny bit of tint, because it's like skincare and makeup in one. Hand sanitizer is pretty essential because you're touching doorknobs, desks, and shared supplies all day long. Gross.
Ew.
Schools are literally crawling with germs from hundreds of students, so just keep a small bottle in here, a quick pump after touching communal stuff, and you're protected from whatever nasty cold or flu is going around this week. And since we're already talking about
about germs and staying healthy, obviously masks need to go in here too. Like when you're traveling to school on the bus or train, there's pollution and people coughing everywhere, so you gotta protect yourself.
Mini perfume or body mist is perfect for a quick refresh between classes. Victoria's Secret body mists smell really good if you need a recommendation. Just a quick spray and you instantly feel fresher. Gum is clutch for keeping your breath fresh throughout the day. Nobody wants to be talking to someone with bad breath, and honestly, you don't want to be worrying about your own breath either. But gum also helps when you're sitting in a boring class where the teacher is going on and on about something you could have learned from a 5-minute video. Chewing gum gives your brain something to do and helps you stay focused instead of completely zoning out. Plus, if you get one with a strong mint flavor, it actually wakes you up a bit when you're feeling sleepy in afternoon classes. Stain remover pen is seriously underrated. This is an absolute lifesaver. The second you spill something on yourself, you'll be so grateful you have this. Hijab pins or hijab magnets, for my hijabi girls watching, keep a few extras in here because just like bobby pins, these have a talent for disappearing too. So having backups in your front pocket means you can fix it quickly without having to search through your whole bag. Mini brush with mirror is a 2-in-1 that's super convenient. You can fix your hair and check your face quickly without walking to the bathroom, perfect for fast touch-ups between classes. AirPods or whatever earbuds you use should be easy to grab for when you need music to focus while studying or you're just walking between classes. Glue stick and mini stapler are good to have for last-minute projects. Mini scissors are useful for opening snack packages, cutting off tags, or random little moments where you need to cut something.
Oh, and put your phone in the front pocket too, babe, because the way you'll need it 24/7, from checking the time to pretending you're busy when someone weird walks by. Yeah, keep it close. Glasses go in the front pocket too, okay? Because you cannot be out here seeing the board in Minecraft pixels. Like, babe, why are things looking 144p when they should be HD? Keep them where you can actually grab them. All right, glasses crew, you're good. Now for everyone in the braces squad. Yep, this one's for you. Your little case goes in the front pocket too. Trust me, it's a lifesaver when your retainer tries to go on a field trip without you. Hand cream goes right here because the way school dries out your hands is honestly disrespectful. Girl, you were writing notes, not climbing mountains.
And finally, sticky notes. Perfect for quick reminders, leaving notes for friends, or doodling when you're bored.
Your water bottle obviously goes in one of the side pockets because staying hydrated isn't optional. Your brain literally needs water to function properly. And half the time when you're feeling tired or zoning out in class, it's just because you didn't drink enough water. When your bottle is sitting right there in the side pocket, you have zero excuses. Just grab it and drink.
The other side pocket is flexible depending on what you need most. Some people keep hand sanitizer here so they can use it quickly without unzipping anything. Others put their umbrella in if it fits, which is super convenient when it suddenly starts raining. You could also keep body mist here for a quick refresh between classes, or a small pack of tissues for whenever you need them. Basically, this pocket is for anything you grab constantly throughout the day without wanting to dig through your whole bag. All right, so now that your backpack is sorted and organized, it won't matter if you've got the most perfectly packed bag in the world if you don't look neat and put together yourself at school. Like, what's the point of having everything organized in your bag when you show up looking like you just survived a tornado? That's exactly why you need to watch my video on how to look neat and presentable at school. This video literally has over 1 million views. Like, 1 million people sat down and watched it. And I'm so glad people found it helpful because it covers everything you actually need to know. Go click it, seriously, because once you put those tips together with this backpack guide, you'll be unstoppable. I'll link it right here and in the description.
Bye!